you can go to Apple menu and then go to system settings. And once system settings is open, go to general tab. Now over here, go to software update and scroll down. Here you can see automatic updates. Now if this is automatic update is off, you can turn it on. Enter your Mac password over here. If this is off, you can turn it on, and then you can go to general software update, and over here you will see check for update option. So you can check for update, and then you should be able to see the update over here. Now you can click on upgrade now. If you want to read, you can go through this, and if you agree, upgrade now, and then click on agree. Again, enter the Mac password, and here you can see it's downloading the OS. And once the download is complete, it should install it, and then you can restart Mac. Now once the update is complete, the Mac will restart. Now once the system restarts, then you can go to Apple menu, go to system settings, and go to general, and you can go to software update, and over here you can see it says install. So this is how you can update the OS. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.